too late. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo choo! Chut 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 choo choo train roll.
Hello, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Saylor. Are you ready to take an adventure in reading? All aboard! Today, we're going to look at some vocabulary words that we need to understand to read our new story, Gus Takes the Train. We're going to look at the picture and try to guess the word. Then we'll talk about what that word means. Let's get started. Let's take a look at our first picture. I see a man. He's wearing a uniform. He's holding a stopwatch. I wonder what this could be. It's conductor. Can you say conductor? Great job. A conductor is the person in charge of a train. Let's look at our next picture. What do you think this is? I bet you could guess. This picture shows a train. Try that word, train. A train is a group of railroad cars that travel on tracks. Let's look at this picture next. I see a car. There's some people in that car. Take a look at the top. It looks like they have some luggage and suitcases up there. I wonder what this word could be. It's takes. Can you try that word, takes? That means that someone uses or makes use of. In that picture, it looks like they are taking their suitcases somewhere. Wonder if they're going somewhere fun. Okay, let's look at this picture. Okay, I see it's like a square, and I can see through that square to the outside. Wonder what that word could be. You said window. You got it. A window is an opening in a wall or vehicle that lets in light and air. I bet you've seen windows before. All right, let's look at our last picture here. I see a little boy. He's sitting here. Looks like he might be going somewhere, having a snack. Wonder what this word could be. It's seat. Try that word, seat. A seat is a place to sit. Now, we're going to try to use these words in a sentence. Let's go over them one more time. Repeat after me. Conductor, train, takes, window, seat. These 5 words are going to be our choices to fill in the blanks in our sentences. Let's read the first sentence together. It says, Gus looks out the blank. Gus looks out the blank. I wonder which vocabulary word would fit best in that blank. Gus looks out the window. Gus looks out the window. Let's read our next sentence. The blank has 10 cars. The blank has 10 cars. What word do you think we can put in that blank? The train has 10 cars. Great job, boys and girls. Let's read this sentence. The blank helps me on the train. The blank helps me on the train. Which word do you think would fit best? The conductor helps me on the train. Remember, he's the person that's in charge of the train, so I bet he would be helpful. Let's try this sentence. Peg sits on the blank with Gus. Peg sits on the blank with Gus. What do you think would fit in there? Peg sits on the seat with Gus. Great job. Okay, let's try our last one. Gus takes the blank to the zoo. Gus takes the blank to the zoo. What might Gus take to get to the zoo? Gus takes the train to the zoo.